Hello icons. Are you all waiting for the math class? Shall we start? Here we go. In this week we were learning all about attributes. Do you all remember? Yes, today also we are going to learn about a new attribute. That is communicator. Who are communicator? Am I a communicator? Yes, I am a communicator. I am communicating all about math in the math videos, isn't it? Yes. So, communicators are the people who share their ideas in many other ways. Communication is not only about speaking. It can also happen through reading. It can also happen through writing. It can also happen through drawing pictures or some other way. And more than one language. If you know many languages, it's fine. If you know one language, it's fine. You can do it in many languages, right? Yes, I know 3 languages. Hindi, Telugu, English. If you know more, that's too good. And the foremost thing, the communicator should be a good listener. And now I'm going to be a communicator. You all are going to be good listeners. Okay, here we go. So in this class, we are going to start with the provocation questions. What are provocations? Provocations are a kind of questions to get the answers from you or to know to what extent you know the topic. So here is the first question. How do you measure your height? Height, how do you all measure? I can hear the answers. How do you measure your weight? Your weight. And next, how do you check the temperature? Am I going to check like this? This is one way and there is something else. We'll see them. And how do you read the cost on groceries packets? How do we read? Let's see them. So I'm going to answer all these questions in the further. Let's see them. Now, how do we going to measure our height? We are going to measure our height through the height chart. And these kind of charts are there at your home also. Mommy and daddy are going to measure your height daily 1 inch you might be increasing, right? Yes. So we say it as height scale or height chart. And by the way, how are we going to read this height as? As 2.1 feet, 2.2 feet, 2.3 feet, 2.4 feet, 2.5 feet, right? Okay. Now, weight. How are we going to measure the weight? In my olden days, like I'm at your age, 2, 3, 4, 5, when I was studying, in the bus stops, we used to have a big weighing machine. We used to insert coins in that and we used to get a card. On that card, it will be written the weight of me. Yes. And now, as technology has improved, everybody has weighing machines at home, right? Even do you have? Yes. This is a weighing machine and this is how you're going to see your weight. It is written as 124.3. It's too big weight. So these are weighing machines or weight machine. So we are going to read the weight as 12.3 kilograms, 13.6 kilograms, 15.8 kilograms, right? Did you all measure your weight? Here. If you see here 13.4 kgs or kilograms, we'll say. This little boy of your age is 13.4 kgs. And this man might be the weight of 40.1 kgs or kilograms. Now, you all can say how much this lady would be weighing, right? She might be weighing more. So she's 60.2 kgs or kilograms, right? That means each and every person will differ in their height and their weight. They are not equal. Okay? Now, what is this? I know, it's a thermometer. Thermometer, we are going to check our temperature. If you see on the thermometer, there are some numbers. It is 98.6 centigrades or we say it as Fahrenheit. And there are many varieties of thermometers over here, right? And these are thermometers. Now, there is an important thing to know about the thermometer and temperature. What is normal temperature in your body? Your body, it is 98.6 Fahrenheit, we say. If it is 98.6, it's fine. When you have fever, mommy keeps this thermometer, right? Everybody have it at home. Keeps this thermometer and she'll check the temperature. If it is 99.9, it is okay kind of. But if it is 101, 101.2, that means you have a high fever, right? So immediately mommy is going to give medicine or she's going to take you to the hospital, right? This is how we are going to check the temperature. And we are going to see the numbers on it, right? Here. Next. This is a dal which we are going to use, and it says that this particular price is 60.75 pice. That is 60 rupees 75 paise. Next is Oreo, all our favorite, and this is the cost of 10 rupees, 00 paise. That means no paise. If you look here, milk packet, which we have regularly we use at home, and this is rupees 23, that is 23 rupees 10, that is 10 paise, right? Yes. What is that we are learning? And did you all notice that these numbers are written differently? Yes, yes, because height as 2.1 feet and weight as 13.4 kgs, temperature as 98.7 Fahrenheit and cost as rupees 13.45 paise. If you notice here, they are written differently. The numbers are written differently. What is that? Why is that? Let's see. That means there is a dot between the numbers. Okay? That is, a number which has a dot between the numbers will be called as decimals. Okay? So we are learning all about decimals. Decimals means it's written as 1.5. 3.4, 40.2. If you check your height, weight, temperature and cost and something else, this is how you will see the dots, and we read it as 1.5. Let's see what it is. 1.5 means it is more than 1 and less than 2. Okay, it is more than 1 and less than 2. Now if you see 40.2 means it is more than 40 but less than 41. Yes. These are the decimals which you are going to write the number in a smaller way, like 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. Okay. You can refer in your math concept book page number 16 all about decimals. Okay. The class is not yet over. We have something else to learn. That is, the numbers in the previous class you have learned are represented in different forms, right? That is numbers, number names, fractions. And also we are going to learn about decimals. This is how we are going to represent numbers in different form, right? Numbers means just numerals. Number names, we are going to elaborate the number names. Fractions, we are going to say the equal parts of the whole. And decimals, which are written with the help of a dot, right? Yes. Now, there is something fun with numbers. Numbers, it's all about fun. So, if you see here, there are alphabets from A to Z, right? And they are written with the help of sequencing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And there are letters respective with the numbers. Okay. Now, if you see here, the number 5, 1 and 18. We are going to give the alphabets to it. Like 5. The 5 is representing E. So I wrote here E. Now 1. A. So I am writing it as A. Now 18. R. That means it says that 5, 1, 18 means E-A-R-E-O. Okay. Now, if you see the other example. So, 19, 20, 1, 18, 9. What does this say? 19, if you go to this chart, 19 says as S. That means S. 20 means T. 1 means A. 18 means R. 19 means S. That means S-T-A-R-S, stars. If you see some more fun, now, here are the numbers for you. 8, 1, 16, 16, and 25. How are we going to write the alphabets for it? If you see this number chart, 8. 8 is representing H. So, 8, I'll write it as H. Now, 1 means A. We know that. 16 means P. Again, 16 means P. And 25 is Y. So, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. This is the word with the numbers. If you see here, we are learning all about fun with numbers is nothing but decoding. Okay? We are going to do the decoding part. So that means you can enjoy decoding with the help of your family members' names, with the help of your fruit names, with the help of friends' names, and the body parts. Everything you can decode with the help of alphabets and numbers. And you can enjoy. It's going to be a fun. So this is how you're going to learn all about the decimals and decoding. And you're going to practice your learning engagements in your math journals. Happy weekend. See you all in the next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.